All right. Here we are. Hopefully I am sharing screen. Brilliant. I think I am now. So this is Cogni, and this is Ashray and Kishan's project. So essentially what we're prototyping here before we get into all the buttons and stuff is what a student would see if they were to log into the app, get to their homepage, and kind of run through a study session with our flashcard app. So here's an example. This is me logged in the top right. This is my old school. You kind of see what kind of what semester you're in, and then obviously we have some breadcrumb design here and some menu design that kind of show you where you are. You're inside a classes section where you're in biology 101, and these are all your biology 101 specific decks that you have to study that are scheduled for today. So that's essentially what we're showing here is that what would a student would do if they were to log in and just use a study app in a regular day rather than every single button to click on and every single sort of branch to build. So Unit 2 cells is what we're going to click on today. We have 29 cards due, just for an example. And here's an example of a multiple choice question. So the large goal of this prototype was just to design the types of questions, what they would look like, and sort of flesh those out design wise. So we wanted a really simple, clean design, and I think we got the minimalist design across. Everything reads very clearly. And it is worth noting, Powerhouse obviously is the correct answer here. We thought about prototyping the wrong answers as well, but we figured that would make too many pages since we were limited between 4 and 6, I believe. But it's also of noting that we built this sort of progress bar at the bottom, which shows how much remaining and proficient cards you have. And if you notice, as we move forward, you're going to see those update as well as just, continuity kind of thing. So Powerhouse, you click on that button and it takes you to the correct answer. And I believe I skipped one on accident there. Oh. And this is just a fill in the blank question. So, we wanted to kind of look into both types of multiple choice fill in the blank, and then of course your regular flashcard questions we'll get to in a second. So Powerhouse is obviously the same question, same answer, but this is what a fill in the blank question would look like, and we wanted to prototype that as well. So that's what that looks like here. Next, we come to our review of what we wanted a regular flashcard to look like, something we're all used to, except this time you can embed an image into it. And we wanted to see what the image would look like and how we thought it would work. And, we found one biology related and we threw it in there, and we found a biology related question. And we thought, hey, this looks pretty good. And we prototyped it. And this also implements something that our apps can do is called a spaced repetition algorithm. So whenever you choose to make these regular type of flashcards and you make a lot of them for a specific deck, and when you click on it, you notice you find the answer, but it's not just the answer like a regular flashcard. You have a chance to give feedback to the flashcard. So you can say if it's easy, medium, or hard. Point being, if you say a card is easy, you're going to want to see it less often because you already have the mastery of it. But if you see a card is hard, you're going to might want to see it, in a few flashcards, see it over again, see if you remembered it, and kind of do this repetition until you have mastery of the card. You say it's easy, and then it's scheduled later for you. But essentially, it's this feedback that's very valuable in this flashcard model. But therefore, the buttons here that are clickable are easy, medium, and hard. And that would obviously go back into the algorithm, update the values for your next study session. But without talking too much, that's basically our prototype and a click through of what a user would do as they study their cards. So we do that probably some 22 some more times because that's the remaining here. But that is all. Thank you.